Where were you when you fell at a hotel? Where was this?
This was in Myrtle Beach.
In Myrtle Beach, okay. And was it inside or outside the hotel?
Outside. You know, like they have the walkway to the beach.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And what is your condition now?
I have a bruise on my right arm, a bruise on my knee, and now my hip is hurting.
Okay. Could the hotel be responsible because it was outside?
Nina, what caused you to fall?
The wet sidewalk, and they had pine straw on the sidewalk, and I slipped.
Okay.
Okay. Was it the water that caused you to slip, or the pine straw?
It was the dew from the beach in the water.
Okay. Under those circumstances, if it's the water is actually from the beach, that's a natural condition. And what has to happen here, Nina, is there has to be some sort of unreasonable condition that the hotel knew about and did nothing, or they should have known about and did nothing. In this situation, I'm not quite seeing anything that stands out as unreasonably dangerous to the guests. Everybody that's walking out on that beach is going to have some sort of dew or moisture on their feet. There could be a question as to whether or not this pine straw, the amount of it, where it's at, how it affects the slope or where you're walking, may all play into it. And you would have to have some sort of pictures or evidence or documentation to show sort of what the condition was there to determine whether or not that condition was unreasonable, and a lot of times whether or not the hotel should have known about it. The only way you're going to be able to hold them responsible is if you can show those things. Aside from that, a lot of times they have personal injury or med-pay protection that may come in to pay some of your medical bills, and that's a no-fault insurance. If you're hurt on the property, it comes in to pay those bills, but it really doesn't have any ability to pay for your pain and suffering.
Yeah. Generally, I call them pine straw cases. Generally, there are cases where there's such an accumulation that they camouflage a hazard, a hole,
right.
or a break in the wall.
Should be a sign, maybe?
Right.
Perhaps.
Right.